Hey guys, Jessica Cabesi here. In today's video, I have fellow photographer Sawyer Hartman.
What's up, everybody?
And Sawyer does not know the concept to this video yet. I haven't told you. You've asked me, but I just didn't tell you.
I know, and now you've made me really nervous because why wouldn't you tell me? What are we doing?
So, I was thinking about what is really important to a photo shoot, and one of the more important things, I think, is communication, talking to the model, directing the model. Wouldn't you agree?
That's the one thing I'm really bad at, but yes, it is very important. That's why I should work on it.
You're not bad at it.
No, but I don't usually shoot with models. I shoot with my girl. Babe, come on, step to the left.
But we still have to direct her.
Yeah, exactly.
You know? So I was thinking, how would it be like if we were to do a photo shoot where we don't say anything to the model?
Whoa.
How different would the photos be? And then we don't even tell her. The model's not gonna know. So we're gonna have a professional model come in, and the first outfit, Sawyer and I are gonna take turns shooting with the model. And the rules are that none of us can say a word. We can't direct, we can't do hand motions, nothing. And I know for me it's gonna be super awkward because I'm usually out there giving direction. So then for the second outfit, we are gonna be able to talk to the model.
Oh, thank God.
And direct her, so we can show you guys how important it is to direct the model and talk to them, have that communication. What do you think?
I think it's good.
Right?
I think it's good. I think it's going to be very hard.
Because if you really think about it, how much of the photo shoot is you directing the model? A very common problem that photographers run into, and they don't even know, is that they don't say anything to the model. They give very little direction.
Even I think, I mean, it's so true because even a very experienced model doesn't exactly know what angle you're holding the camera at, because if we tilt the camera up, it can give the face a completely different feel.
Definitely.
Wow, that's gonna be hard.
We're gonna wait for the model to come. Again, she has no idea we're doing any of this. I've never met the model.
Good luck, model.
You've never met the model?
I don't know her. Yeah, no, I don't know about her.
She's gonna know us today, and hopefully she doesn't hate us.
She probably will.
Before we begin, a quick message from our sponsors. This video was brought to you by Squarespace. Whether you need a domain, website, or an online store, make your next move with Squarespace. Squarespace has an all-in-one platform that is super easy to use, customizable with tons of award-winning designer templates, and offers 24-hour customer service support. So whether you're a photographer like me that needs a portfolio site, or you have a small business, they have something for everyone. You can start your free trial today by going to squarespace.com/Jessica. Use offer code Jessica for 10% off your first purchase. Now, let's get back to the video. So, how are you feeling right now?
I'm good, but I can't say anything, so this can get really hard. Count me down. I can't look this cool forever.
Okay, Angelique's gonna, can you actually time it? Go.
How do you think I did, in all honesty?
You did it really well.
Yes! And I only took 8 photos!
Oh my gosh.
Chances you're gonna kill this.
It's not gonna go well.
Now it's Jessica's turn. May the odds forever be in your favor.
It's another day. Doing what I love to do. How long is 3 minutes?
3 minutes.
How long is 3 minutes?
It's
a good time.
180 seconds.
There you go.
Whoa, nice.
Good math over there. Go.
Come on, Jess, time's up. Time's on, time's on. How do you think this went, Jess? So far?
I mean, this is the quietest I've been all year, I think.
Is it nice? Was it just like
I felt like I was taking a moment of silence for too long, for more than a moment.
Did it? So that was a lot harder than I ever anticipated, only because she didn't know and still doesn't know why we weren't communicating. So like going into the second shoot, I'm a little excited to be able to like, at least I don't really like telling models how to pose. I like telling them the emotion I'm looking for. And I kept wanting to like show her on my face like happy or sad or contemplate it. I couldn't do it. And it's crazy that a lot of photographers will just leave it up to the model to do these shots. But as a photographer, you're the artist. You've got to help guide them on the journey to capture this photograph. Because at the end of the day, it only lives in your head. So you've got to communicate that. Now that we can, I cannot wait to see what we get. Okay, Jess, what did you find to be the hardest part about not communicating?
I'm the kind of person, I'm always giving someone direction, so for me not to give any direction, I felt kind of mean and like I'm not being helpful. Like it's like a one-way, like she's doing all the work. I'm not really doing anything. Yes, I'm not doing my job. So definitely for the next one, I'm really excited because I'm gonna do a 360 or 180, whatever. I'm not.
You're gonna come to work today.
I'm not good at math, but it's one or the other. So let's go.
She's coming to work today.
I'm going to work. I'm doing overtime.
Okay, ready, set, go.
Okay, come with me. Can you come right here? What I'm actually gonna do is I want kind of like, you're dressed so cute, I want like an aggressive shot. So if you could pretend to bite this flower, I'm gonna get above you so that you seem really cute and innocent, but there'll be like a weird feisty fierceness about it. Make it focus on you. Mean, like Alright, come with me. If you like look down and away and pretend there's a guy at the end of the street who like you're kind of dreaming about, like a Lana Del Rey type situation. There we go. That's the intensity I wanted. And thank you. Keep moving. Kill all emotion in your face. If you can, yeah, just sleep behind it, sorry. When they're straight in front of you at eye level. Oh, that's super sexy. It's awesome. 3, 2, and thank you. So that was my shoot. Now it's your turn, Miss Jess. I'm very excited to see what you come up with. I hope these turn out, otherwise, film life, not real film life, whatever.
I feel like I'm not only working out, but I'm also getting arthritis at the same time, so it's
sounds counterproductive.
You're like being productive and regressive all at the same time.
You're staying the same.
I'm just not working out. Let's go back to that same wall because it's so pretty. The lady with the reindeer lives there. It's not a real reindeer though. I can confirm that. Kind of like maybe have like an arm, like kind of like, yeah, like. There you go. Back up here. What? Like tuck some of this behind your ear. Yeah. And like put it behind. Yeah. There you go. Perfect. Perfect.
Yeah, those are great.
How about you're like walking towards me, and then turn a little. Great. And then walk back, and then walk back towards me again.
We were trying to show them how hard it is to communicate with models and how important it is.
It is really important. But honestly, at first, I felt like this is any other shoot when you're just shooting with someone for the first time.
Do you think it's natural that people like
don't
just don't
talk?
communicate?
Yeah. Until they say, "Oh, I like that photo," and then when they like it, you're like, "Okay, they like what they're, you know."
How does it help you when they actually tell you along the way?
It saves time.
Yeah, you're completely right.
It's efficient because you're like, okay, I really want you to look sad, but you look too happy. But if you don't tell them, they're just like,
They won't know.
And it saves the photographer time because they don't have to look through so many photos that they could have prevented taking. Encouragement really helps from the difference between being like, I'm super uncomfortable, I don't want to be here, and they know it, and I know it, and now it's just getting worse. And then the difference then being like, hey, like, is everything okay? You seem a little uncomfortable, you're doing great.
Yeah.
I think that really is worth it for both parties.
For me, the first couple photos that I took without talking, I felt like you were just kind of doing your own thing, and then the second set were like my little touch, like the poses that I kind of like and my kind of style a little bit, and incorporated both of us incorporating something into it rather than just like, you know, like you're on the boat by yourself in the middle of the ocean.
I noticed like towards the end, I was like, oh, she's talking a little bit more than the last outfit, but I didn't think like it was on purpose.
Positive reinforcement and communication is always helpful. I think this kind of shows just a little bit of that, and we would love to thank our model Paulina for
Thanks for having me.
For putting up with us
Yeah, right.
for all of that.
For coming all the way to the beach here and hanging out with us.
Thank you for letting me help you guys show this lesson.
Love to thank Sawyer also. You killed it.
Thanks.
How was it not being able to say anything for 3 minutes?
It's great. I mean, I talk all the time, so I think the people around me probably enjoyed the silence more than I did. But I really love photography. And when it's just my thing, I can get insecure about it. When I share the responsibility with the model, it becomes much more of a team effort, and I can trust them, they can trust me.
Exactly. It is a team effort when it's both of you. Yes, perfect. That's a great way to end this video. We're going to have links to Paulina and Sawyer. Go check them out. Tell them hello. And we would love to thank you guys for watching. Leave your comments and opinions down below.
We'll be reading them.
And we'll see you guys later.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.